Hi, welcome to my video. Throughout this video I will be showing you how I created my website using WordPress. First things first, what I did was I went on Google, typed in WordPress and I installed it. So the next step is you have to sign up for WordPress. Once you've done that, then a screen like this comes up. So you need to put your username and password to access your dashboard and your website. So I will show you now me logging in. Just bear with me. So once you've logged in, a screen like this comes up. Now you can just play around with it, get familiar with it. So the first thing I did to build my website was I went on appearance. I chose a theme. I shall show you that this was my theme I chose. So whatever theme you choose, you can like search for it there, whatever you like. You can just log, and then over here you can activate. Once you activate it, that theme will be on your website. So that's it really. So if you're not happy with these, you can look for others, more or less. Well, I'm happy with mine. So after I've chose my themes, the next thing I did was create my pages. So you go on pages, and as you can see, I have created 7 pages. As you can see there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To create these pages, you need to go up here and then click add new. So once you've clicked add new, so I'll show you now, you type in your page name and then what you want on your page. You can add media, you can see pictures, you can add a link. Here you upload the photos. So once you create it, well, you're happy with your page, and then you publish it. Once you published it, your page should be there more or less. Let me show you my pages. 1 second. Let's go on home. Just bear with me. There. As you can see, this is gonna my main page, my home page. As you can see, I've added media, well, picture and information about myself, and then obviously whatever I add now, I can just update, click update, and it will be there. So once you've created all your pages, you go to appearance, then menus, and then all the pages that you've created will come up here. So you have to tick it and then add to menu. So once it's added there, then you save menu, it should come up, and then you can put what order you want it in, like mine home first, my work, about, my skills, like that, etc, etc. Just let me show you my website. 1 second. My home page. Bear with me, it's a bit slow. So here we go. Here we go. You can see the image and the information that is there. This I will be showing you afterwards, later on in the video. It's a slideshow. Just bear with me 1 second. Let me show you the next thing. So the next thing I will show you is how I created my posts. As you can see, I have 4 posts there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to create a post, you go on add new, and then your post name. You can add media, information about the post, and then once you've happy with everything, then you publish it. So now I'll show you an example of one of the posts I created. Well, this is the term and conditional one. This one is, you want to put terms and condition onto your website. I will show you how you do this. It's a bit complicated, but yeah, I'll show you 1 second. Go into plugin, and then add new plugin, type in terms. Now once I've typed in terms and conditions, now I'll search for a plugin called terms and conditions. 1 second. This one is the one that I installed. As you can see, I will show you now. Install plugins. So what you do now is, just bear with me, my computer's playing up. Let me just find it. Here we go. Now you go into post, you copy and paste this. You copy this, and you go into post. One second. I'll show you now there. There, as you can see there, I've copied and pasted it, and then you publish it, and then it should come up in your website. 1 second, I'll show you now. I have put it in my blog. There, terms and conditions. So now I will show you, remember when I said I created a slideshow? Now I'll show you how I created this. As you can see, 1 second, from one image. Bear with me. Now it's gone to another image. So I'll show you now how I made this. So what I did was go on slides, add new slides. So you create a new slide here, you can see. Once you create the new slide, you go on slides here. You can see here, add new slides, and then you enter what pictures you want from one picture to another. It's like a little animation, goes from one picture to another, from another to another. So I've only put 4 photos. So now the next thing I will show you is widgets. Widgets are, it's like an extra feature that you want on your website. So what I have is a search bar, recent posts, recent comments, calendar, costume. So it's a sidebar. A widget is a sidebar. So whatever you want on the site. So here there's other options you can have. Pages, meter, Google Analytics dashboard, costume. So if you say this, we choose this, you just drag it like that. So I'll show you how it looks on my website. So as you can see, there's the search, recent posts, recent comments, the calendar, and this is one of my previous works. See, different website that I did for my year 1. so you can link other URLs onto it. So 1 second. So if you're not happy with these extra features, what you can do is install others. I'll show you. So as you can see here, if you're not happy with any of these, then you can go and install so you just type in here widget, so you whatever you want here, so you just click install now and you should have it, and it'll come up install plugins. So it'll come up here like this here, for example. This is on installed. Then you have to activate it for you to be on your page, etc. The next feature I will show you is Google Analytics. This is quite interesting. This tells you how many people has visited your website. As you can see here, 3 visits, 86 page views, and then it shows you a graph. So how you do this is, I shall show you. So how you do this is, you go on plugins, add new, you type in your Google Analytics. Once you've done that, you click install, and then as you can see here, I've installed it here. So you activate it, shall come up, but you need to do something else. What you need to do is go on Google and sign up Google Analytics. Once you made, well, you need to make a Google Analytics account. Once you made an account, you go to settings, Google Analytics. So I've already done this, so a login username and password will pop up. So you need to put your Google Analytics password and username, and then this will come up. So once you've done this, then you click save changes, and then you go to your dashboard. 1 second, and then it will come up here, as you can see. Now I will show you my whole website. This is my home page, as you can see here. This is my work page. So if you click on it, it takes you to my work, which I created in my first year of uni. Next, as you can see here, other work. Click on it. Here it is. Just bear with me, internet slow. There, as you can see. And now about me page. Skills. And contacts and references. So that's about it, really. WordPress is really good to use, professional, and thank you for watching my video.